This is how you're going to complete your crossword puzzle. I would recommend that you keep the puzzle in one tab and then your Quizlet list in the other tab so that you know how to spell the words. You're going to hit comenzar. Yours might be in English. It should say go or start. And then you'll see it has the word highlighted here and then it has your crossword clue. What's your name? And then no spaces. So if I don't know how to ask what's your name in Spanish, I would go to my Quizlet list and look, oh look, ¿cómo te llamas? And I don't want to put spaces in it. So I just click on the word right here and I type it in. ¿Cómo te llamas? There we go. And I would continue doing that for all of the clues. When you're done, you can hit comprobar and it'll tell you when you have them all right, it should give you a you win kind of screen and it'll say all the words. And when you finish that, make sure you take a screenshot of the words at the end. This at the end, it'll tell you like the words in the puzzle, your score, and your time. And this is what you're going to want to take a screenshot of.